Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to get Melanie Martinez's Kindergarten album. And it's unreleased, by the way, and by the way, Melanie Martinez is fine with me doing this because once she leaked, like, it's fine if I, do, an old unreleased album, but if it's, her upcoming album, well, if it's one of her songs with her upcoming album, I don't think she will, oh, wait, and I think she will mind it if she, I think she will mind it if it's, her upcoming album. I'm not gonna tell the title. Anyway, so the Kindergarten album, it's not too hard. I'll show you. So you're gonna want to go to my account right here and click playlists. And also, thank you for this video going viral. 300 views, I've never actually got that, so thanks for getting that viral. So you're gonna want to click playlists. You can see I liked a lot of videos. I don't know what this is, and here's the unreleased album. You just click on it. And there's all of her songs. And yes, it is in order, so yeah. Before we say our goodbyes, how do you like my new troller outfit? I just made it a couple days ago. I really like it. First, I'm gonna troll some people before I say goodbye, because I'm a troller. It's pretty obvious. Oh no! Did he get past? Anyway, there's more people coming. Actually, we're not gonna say our goodbyes yet. We gotta troll some people. Gotta wait. Where are those people? We gotta. Oh, I like their username, Cat Blanc. I really like Miraculous Ladybug, by the way. So if you like Miraculous Ladybug, it's your lucky day. And if you like my YouTube videos, it's also your lucky day because I like Miraculous Ladybug. I watch it a lot, and yes, I did watch Senti Bubbler last night. It was really good. Actually, I remember I didn't watch the full episode. Oh, how did she miss that? Anyway. Okay, we're doing it. Come on. How did she just do that? How? How did she just do that? She's a hacker. Just kidding. Okay, actually, but how did she just do that? Okay, this is gonna be easy. Okay. Oh, I didn't. No. Great alphabet boy, you think you're smart, better than me with all your bad true. Okay, anyway. Okay, that person fell. You're hearing. Oh, no one's here. Oh, phew, I thought I was gonna touch that checkpoint. Nobody's really coming. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, of course I'm not gonna tell you to like and subscribe. I don't make money, I just make videos for fun. I'm not gonna tell you to like and subscribe. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know what else to say, so yeah. Bye.